Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look right here, and as you guys can see, it is very green. Full disclosure, it's Halloween, and we're going to my cousin's house for a little party for the kids, and we have to wear masks. So my plan was to go like full-blown green all over, makeup and all, but because I have to wear a mask, obviously it doesn't make sense. So I went crazy with the green, and I'm gonna throw some lashes on and make this look just extra. So I will make sure to include a picture of that. If you guys want to see what I used to get this look, let's go. So today we're just gonna play, and I'm gonna be using the Metropolis palette by Natasha Denona. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start off by taking the color Lethal. All right, so taking Lethal, which again is this color here. I'm gonna take a 224 by MAC, which is a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start placing this color in the crease. We're going green today. This palette is one of my favorite Natasha Denona palettes. I know I say that every single time I use it, and I mean it. The colors are just so beautiful, rich. The formulations in here are insane, and it's an exciting palette. Like, it's stunning. And for those of you that are probably like, do you know any other word other than stunning? No, just kidding. I am going to take Royal, which is this color here. It is a beautiful green. When you first look at it, it looks like a teal, but it is green. And then once you start mixing it with the color in the crease, it just looks teal, but it's okay. I think with this palette, I always play with the greens and really neglect my blues, even though they are beautiful. Look at this color. Oof, so good. So today we're definitely going to go for a really elongated, winged out effect. I'm debating on whether I want to. I'm actually going to start creating the shape. So I like to take a 210 by MAC, which is just a really thin brush. So we have our shape, and I am now going to take Royal and then start pressing that and building my liner. This color, it just gives me life. I love a good emerald green. It's just not a color that's easy to come by. And I feel like this palette and this color is giving me what I love. I'm loving the way this looks already. I am going to take Troop, which is one of my favorite colors in this palette. And I'm going to use my 224 by MAC, and I'm going to lightly dust that and blend my edges out. This is the other thing I wanted to tell you guys. You know that an eyeshadow is going to be great quality when you blend and it stays in place. Like, you don't see these shadows shearing out, and oftentimes people are always concerned about that. Like, is blending going to shear out my pigmentation? If you have a great shadow, you have a great formulation, the answer is no. I'm going to use the same thin brush, and I'm going to take the color Symbol, which is this color here. It is a beautiful deep navy, and I'm going to use that color just right in the center here. And now I'm going to take one of the Chromium shadows by Natasha Denona. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to start applying it. Scarab, maybe? Scarab, I think it is. So I'm just taking a flat brush, and I'm using that to move the product around. Don't worry about this shade spilling over into the actual shadow look, because we'll just layer our colors right over it and give it some more dimension. I'm gonna go back into Symbol with the flat brush and just kind of layer it over the center so that we don't lose that shade. And it'll also help just kind of with the blending. So for my foundation, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and the shade that I am wearing is Barcelona. And I am sad to say, but I think that this will be the last time I use this foundation, because it's out. Alright guys, so this is where we are at. I'm going to do my concealer. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet in 4.3, which is just a little bit darker than my skin tone. And that is okay, because Mama's got some dark circles we need to hide. Alright guys, so I'm taking the brush I used to press the chromium shadow into it. I'm just using the edge to connect the inner corner to the crease, and as you guys can see, it's deposited a little bit of that blue shade, which I am digging. Alright guys, so I'm going to take Queen, which is this color here, and with a flat brush I am going to use that to highlight right under my brow. I'm going to hit the inner corner. I'm going to take Lethal and Royal, I think it's Royal, yeah, and then apply those on the lower lash line. I'm using a flat brush. This is Lethal, and then taking Royal and just keeping that focus on the outer corner, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara on the lower lash line, and we'll come back to finish the rest of this look. All right guys, just wanted to show you quickly that I took some Scarab and with a 210 just use it to line my inner corner here, and then also just kind of bringing it so that it joins the top and lower lid. But this is what we are looking like. I know it's very dramatic and I am here for it. I'm just making sure that these lines are connecting smoothly. So I'm taking a little bit of this MAC deep brown paint stick, and I'm just going to do a little tiny dot on the back here that we're going to blend forward, because this stuff is very pigmented, and so I really want to make sure that I'm controlling the actual application, and I'm blending up and forward. And again, I know this is dramatic, but I mean, go big or go home. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 3, and I'm just going to use that to blend and add warmth to my complexion, because I am looking very just blank. So I'm seeing that here I want to just sharpen this outer corner a little bit and straighten it out because it's kind of drooping. This looks good. I'm going to take this Dior palette in Glitz, and I'm going to mix these two shades and then use it as my highlight. For my blush, I'm going to be using Becca Songbird. Looks like this. It's broken, so I don't want to tilt it. And I'm just going to bring this back. I'm going to be setting my face with this Milk Makeup Setting Spray. That spritz is very even, but aggressive. Alright guys, for my lips, I lined them with Laura Mercier Natural Lips, and I'm going to take Charlotte Tilbury Stoned Rose. So this is what this looks like. I feel like I need just a softer nude. So I'm going to blot this off and replace it with something else. Same lip liner, but I'm going to take Fenty's Cake Shake. I tried a few different nudes, and honestly, I just felt like I need something just beigey and nude and sheer. Definitely what I needed. Alright guys, so here is your final look. I really love the way that everything turned out, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know if there are any looks or ideas that you have for my channel. Thank you guys so much for your time. like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I upload 3 videos a week. Thank you guys so much. Bye.